I guess I was recording the whole time it was in my pocket. Okay, look, there's a neighbor up there. Oh, and what's that? A Jeep that couldn't get up the driveway. And there's a neighbor up there. Perfect walking weather. Beautiful, beautiful snow. It's just what we needed for Christmas. That's what the boys wanted, but they're at home sleeping because they had oral surgery today, so they should be out for the rest of the night. So I'm going to continue my walk, and I hope everyone enjoys the beautiful, beautiful snow of North Carolina. Oh, stepped in a hole. Okay, bye.